Alright, that's it for Sandy Cove. It's an amazing sunset, I guess you could say. The colors are definitely amazing. And that's just spider web stuff. No biggie. So, I'm a little curious. That I am. I'm just that way. I'm a curious person. So this is the same place we were just at, which is Sandy Cove. And of course I had a little freeze up. I ended that. I was going to leave anyways. It only took a couple seconds to see what I had to see. And I wanted to straighten it out, refresh it, and bring it back. And this is what I come back to. It's not what I left, but it's what I'm coming back to. And just let me scroll down and show you it is live. It's not archived. See, look at that, live. I mean, both times it was live. Why is it two different scenes? You know? That's what I'm curious about. And where's the spider webs that were on there on the first one? I'm going to stay here because this is amazing. That may not be a spider or a spider web. I was kind of thinking it might be a spider. Doesn't matter one way or the other. I'm really digging the close-up of all this. So anyways, I had a thought. You want to know what my thought was? Let's say there's fibers and threads going across the webcams sometimes and we don't see them. And they're being moved by the wind. Wouldn't that give it that effect also? You know? Just a thought. Kind of the holographic look, you know? I find this very fascinating. Because everything that I see has to have substance in one way or the other. So, to me, everything I see is alive. Or I wouldn't see it. And if everything is energy, you know what I mean? That's why I'm so fascinated with anomalies and things I see. I don't really brush things off easily. I'm always wondering why. What's up with that, you know? But I really dig stuff like this. I won't stay much longer. Because it's just going to be more of this. But look at that. Look how far down. I wonder if there's any chance this could have to do with webbing. You know what I'm saying? Because I think that's a spider. And I think it's on a web. And the proximity, you know, isn't the distance from the spider to the simulator. It's just on the lens. So if the webbing is moving, it could give that effect. I don't know. I've never thought of it like that before, but I am now. After seeing this. See, when this goes up, that goes up. I'm thinking a lot of times of things we're seeing are webs now. A lot of webbing. Listen, I'm no Sherlock Holmes, but I think I might have cracked the case. Alright, I'll see you around. I've had enough of this place. And my theories. I drive myself crazy sometimes. But look at that. Come on now. Watch them at the same time. Can you do that? I think it's webbing. Alright. I'm out. Mm-hmm.